Vargo, and I'm the 2012-2013 Ohio Hills Folk Festival Queen, and I would like to take you around my festival to show you my favorite things. Like shown here is where I've traveled throughout the state of Ohio. I attended 33 festivals and traveled over 6,625 miles throughout this year. And these posters here are just things I've collected over time at each luncheon. The Firehouse Kitchen, where you can find lots of homemade food. It's all volunteer run and they take volunteers every year. And my favorite food here is the noodles. Market at the festival. There's lots of things found here like candles and crafts and everything that you could ever imagine. There's lots of rides of entertainment here, and there's things for the whole family to enjoy. This is at the country store. They have lots of homemade ice cream and homemade gifts and crafts and everything that you can think of. This is where you can come on Saturday and watch the rubber duck race.
Yeah, here we go. This just looks like somebody dumped a big bag of Skittles in there, don't it? Hates the rainbow, especially if you get first place. First finish, there we go. Well, on that horn. Oh, look at that pass right there. There they are. 10 little ducks all in a row.